gonna drop the clutch. Yo, I missed this car. Shouldn't have let me drive this, man. I will buy it from you, so if you need money, I'll buy it back.
Guys, only 8 days remaining before we pick the random winner to get our modded Mercedes-Benz 100% for free. So if you guys want to win this car or the 9 other prizes, be sure to go over to the Instagram page at Free Car Giveaways and do the simple steps in order to enter. It'll take you like 30 seconds. Check out the most recent picture. Everything is outlined there, but please support this giveaway so that we can do more of these free car giveaways in the future. And hey, in 8 days, you may just win this car, which is the highlight of today's video with Composer. Hope you guys enjoy.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a video that has been highly anticipated and long in the making. Today is the day our buddy Composer, the previous owner of our rare 6-speed manual C300, is in town. He is finally going to be reunited with his car that he hasn't seen in a very long time. If you guys saw that video we posted a couple months ago where I called him on the phone and he explained everything about the car and the whole story of how it got sent to auction and all that stuff, he knew how rare it was being a manual transmission, and he knew that he would probably never be able to replace it again. So you could hear the pain in his voice when he talked about having to get rid of it and how insurance sent it to auction, never see the car again. Well, that's about to change because he will see the car again. And he didn't just fly out to Arizona, he drove out here with his freshly modded Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG, the car he replaced the C300 with. Hopefully I can get the twin turbo Lamborghini going today and give him a reaction ride in that. I think it would be hilarious. He would love that car. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And without further ado, let's go meet up with Composer. All right, here we are. Look at that. We got the Ferrari outside. We got the truck. There's Christian and there's Composer's C63. All right. Boom, boom, boom. There he is. Finally meet in person after all these months. You were gonna come out earlier, but I'm like, you know, just come out when it's all done and all the mods are on it, all the carbon fiber goodies. So, and now you're out here. And you brought a toy.
So this is my 2019 AMG C63S Mercedes-Benz. Paint is the selenite Magno Gray from the factory. A lot of people think it's a wrap.
So it's factory paint, like factory matte.
Brixton
Holy
forged, 3-piece wheels, the VO2s. Fronts are 20s, backs are 21s. Finished in the satin black. She has a full straight pipe system with a valve that closes and opens, so I can go Prius mode and you know, full beast mode.
As you can see there, we got the C300 right there, but I don't know.
Old baby, man.
It's your old baby. So my buddy from L&T Dent is pulling out a couple of little door dings on it. So he's got some parts outlaying by the car, so we can't go driving it yet. So in the meantime, why don't we drive this?
It's got a tune from Gentani and down pipes, so catless.
You said 610 horsepower?
To the wheels.
To the wheels. All right, can I get this start up? Like, this is gonna be vicious. Oh yeah, right there, a little button.
And I just turned to slippery mode.
Best of both worlds. Now it's quiet. No way.
That's the AGX. They literally customized that for me. So anybody that owns a C63S, if you don't know this, this will make your day. Pop it into race mode.
Okay, yeah.
Hold down on the down shift paddle, press the brake, puts more gas out the back so you get a louder startup. More aggressive startup. Yeah, but
I didn't know that.
If you don't do it, see, watch. If you don't do it, it's just like this.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah, it's literally.
It's like twice as loud.
Literally twice as loud. Okay, C300. I will come back for you.
Yep, there's the C300. So Mark's gonna be done working on it here in about 30 minutes. So we'll come back for it. Ooh, we got a little glimpse. I definitely think you did a good little upgrade in the Mercedes game.
I've always wanted an AMG, that's why I tried to make that one look like an AMG.
You made it look so good. Like,
I tried, you know.
I still have your stuff. I brought your stuff.
Oh yeah, get my scale.
We'll get that. Yep. Yeah. I have it. It's in the trunk of the Tesla. You're gonna get all your stuff back. See? Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh my goodness, those blow-off valves.
Oh yeah, I got a blow-off Rentec in there.
Oh my. So guys, we made it to Mexico and we're gonna do a little acceleration.
We're gonna go into super beast mode. We're gonna cut off the traction completely.
Snap.
Tires are hot, 129 degrees.
said I could drive.
I did. I did say
snap.
that.
I heard that correctly.
I did say that. Are we up on that time right now?
This is a good spot because it's pretty close to the warehouse. I don't want to drive for too long because I don't want to get hooked on this car. Otherwise, I want to go out and buy a C63.
You might get hooked.
Cannot pass up this experience.
By the way, I don't let anybody do this.
Oh, yeah, we'll take it easy. Whenever it's not my car, I don't drive it like my cars.
I appreciate that, but you know, it's cool. You drive, you know what speed feels like. I don't think I've ever let anybody really like send it with me in the passenger seat.
Oh snap! In second gear. So
little pull. Go ahead. What? Oh my! Oh is that what it feels like?
That's what it feels like.
Yo, this is my car. Okay, I'm ready.
Let's try this again. Let's go.
Ooh,
that's vicious.
Ooh,
that's a monster.
How'd that feel?
This thing's crazy.
Is it crazy?
I want one now.
Yeah,
all right, we're back. I think it's time we see the C300. Yep, Mark left, so that means he pulled out those couple dents.
It's time to see the C300.
Ooh.
Time to see my old baby. Okay.
You ready for this? Let's see, Park. Thank you for that opportunity. That was fun.
Of course,
I so badly want an AMG.
You do?
We've had a couple Mercedes, the V12s, but they're
you
not
have
AMGs.
That's not a,
No,
oh.
they're not proper AMGs. All right, Composer, your old baby. It's hiding right in here. There she is with the new rear end.
Yo, look at these tips. Like when I bought this car in 2014, I stalled it the whole way home because I didn't know how to drive a stick.
Yeah.
And the guy from Mercedes was like following me to make sure I was going to be good. But like, it's just like, I remember that day and like now it's got the...
And that clean quad tips. I mean, it's a full-blown C63 looking car now. Go inside, here, smell it. It smells the exact same. Just that nice like leather. It smells brand new in there.
I replaced both these front seats.
I guess that's why. That's why it smells
everything
new.
in here, like I replaced it. I was planning on just making it, you know, yo.
Just like good old days.
It's been a year. I'm sitting in the old whip, guys. You remember this? Come on, this is my first video. We replaced this is a brand new shift knob thing.
Dude,
you know
it's all brand new.
Yo, this is I'm just taking a moment real quick.
You probably didn't think you'd be back in it.
I was honestly sad when it left, you know? And cars are just things, but like still, you know?
After 4 years, you build up a connection with them. Okay. Oh yeah, she's back. Got a little more sound to it now. Ready? Let's try to get a couple pops and crackles. Yeah, I told you. It's that tune. Stock it would not do that.
Are you serious?
Bro, isn't that crazy?
The C300?
All right.
Thank God for air conditioning.
It actually works really well in this car.
I miss this car, man. This is a fun little car.
Everything.
Yo, it sounds so good.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Wow. Is that an X-Pipe?
Yep.
Wish I could buy it. Is this fun?
Yep.
Whoever does win it, don't be afraid to reach out to me if you want me to buy it from you.
Well, there you go. You got a customer lined up.
So if you ever do want to sell it, whoever wins it, I'll buy it back. Okay.
Part of me in the beginning almost wanted, like, you know, all the comments like, sell it back to him, and I'm like, I get that, but I was already teasing the idea of, you know, giving it away.
I know.
Everyone loves this car, so like,
we got to give this one away for sure.
yeah. Woo! Yeah, it's got a good sound. And a little quicker now. The tune actually.
It is quicker. I was gonna say it's quicker.
Yeah. That X-Pipe. Oh my gosh, it's pops. Let's let you drive.
Jeez.
Let's do this. The moment every fan out there has been waiting for. They've been wanting to see this video forever, and now you're gonna be reunited.
Reunited with the Millennium Falcon,
Ready?
guys.
Let's
Reunited.
do it.
Would you like? You're like 10 feet tall. Oh
That's
man.
smooth.
Boy, I'm gonna drop the clutch. Oh. Woo! Yo, I miss this car. Oh my God.
Just like good old times.
It's like almost like the old man, poor man's launch control. Woo! Woo!
Wow, just like you remember.
Little downshift.
That sound, yes
never left it, man.
That's it.
Oh, you shouldn't have let me drive this, man. Jeez.
So he can attest to how nice his car is out there.
Hey,
so
look.
If you haven't followed the page, what are you guys doing? Enter into this giveaway. It is, by the time this video goes up, it's live.
It's live.
So like, do the steps to enter. It takes 12 seconds, and you may just win this car.
Yeah. Hey, follow my page while you're at it too.
Yes, he has a page, his whole YouTube page. If you're not following it already, watch his vlog. We did some stuff that didn't make it into my vlog, so go check out his channel. It'll be linked down below if you guys aren't subscribed already.
If you're not subscribed already.
Yeah, that's right, that's right.
I love you guys.
He's got good content.
Hey, thank you, bro. So make sure you guys do all the requirements to win it, okay?
I was explaining to him, it's completely free. Like, he's like, how does it work? I'm like, it is free. You're like, free?
For all you guys that think that it might not be, oh, it's a gimmick, no, it's actually like legit. You could really win it. And I'm jealous.
So yeah, and like from the time this video goes live, it's like about a week.
Oh, I made her move. She's
like, what the heck? It's like a week, just over a week until someone wins this car from when this video goes live. So if you haven't already, link down below, free car giveaways, go do it. It'll take you 12 seconds and then you are entered, and somebody 100% random, computer's picking the winner. We have no say in that, so hopefully it goes to a good home. That's all we can hope for.
I really hope that whoever wins this, just take care of it, please. Okay, thank you.
Glad you liked it. We're back to the warehouse because we got to hop in the green UGR. Oh, there it is. Christian's got it pulled out.
It's Lamborghini, man. Woo, the thing looks like a spider, man. Just
goodness.
Woo. Oh.
I wish Christian could have joined us, but he was busy. Like he's had so many projects at the think so don't think we're excluding him from the video. It's just he's catching up on a lot of work. All right, let's go. Green UGR. Teleport. This is one of the fastest cars on YouTube. This thing is a vicious monster. I've never even tried the AC, but I don't even want to turn it on. Like, I know it's gonna put stress on the car.
All right, guys. In the twin turbo, underground racing, JR Garage, Verde Ithaca, Lamborghini, Gallardo. That was a lot. Yeah. That was a mouthful. Sounds beast already. Get it, manual, man. Come on.
Big V10, 5-liter twin turbo, fully built, up to 40 PSI if you want it.
Jesus, that's boost. What's the horsepower number on it?
This stage right now, underground rates at about 1,000 wheel, and full-blown 1850 wheel. At one point, it was tuned at 2200 wheel. Yeah.
2200?
Yeah, when it was setting records, it was 2200 horsepower.
Insides went through like 2 rounds of like my stomach came up here and then it went up here. Right? Yo. Oh. This is not to be messed with. This car, do not try to race this car.
It's just angry.
It is angry. Yo. Like, what? That is crazy. Yo, I would have way too much fun in this car.
Let's see how much fun you want to have.
What?
Here you go.
Oh my goodness, it's happening. I'm ready.
There we go. There you go. All right, so just first gear, clutch bite point is all the way toward the top. Yep, just nice and slow. There it goes, starting to roll. There you go. Beautiful, perfect.
Guys, I'm driving that 1,000 horsepower car that you just saw me screaming like a little girl in. It's actually really, really smooth. So just tell me what the revs to ship that.
Yeah, go 5, 6, 7, whatever feels good. Just get a feel for it.
All right, here we go. Here we go, guys. Woo! Okay. All right. Okay.
Dude, that was perfect.
I'm pretty good, huh?
Dude, that was perfect.
That was all right, right?
Yes.
Hard on the brakes, hard on the brakes.
Yep, there you go.
That felt good.
Dude, that was a good one. Oh, we stretched the legs on the car, just what I want to do.
You know what?
Give it the cow.
Doesn't
it feel good?
That felt good.
Like,
can we do it one more time?
Yeah, starting second.
We'll start second.
Yeah, just slowly, slowly roll into it.
You got it.
feel like you've driven one of these before. Those shifts were perfect. I saw how quick that shift was. That.
You know, because I'm a fast learner. Yeah, you gotta feel it. It's a feeling.
Actually perfect. I mean, this
like when I hit the top end, I was more so listening to the car, and then I shifted because I was listening to the car.
That's what I told you. I said you'd feel it. Like,
yeah, you gotta feel it.
You weren't even looking down. You were just listening.
I wasn't even looking at the revs. I was looking at the road, honestly.
Exactly. Dude, beautiful. How about it? What do you think? Everybody's like, dude, stop making those fake reactions. Like, it's not that fast. Like,
anybody in the comments that says this is a fake reaction, this is the realest experience you can ever have in a car. It just, I mean, it's just nothing like this.
It's like you're in another world. I can't sell this thing.
Yeah, you cannot sell this.
All right, that's why we're here. Kyle, we're dropping off with him, and then let's head on later in the day. See how they look. Let's not drop them. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that'll work. Sir. All right, guys, we made it back to the warehouse, and looks like Composer does not want to say goodbye to his baby.
No, I don't.
Man, it was a good day. Boy, this was a fun one. We've been looking forward to it, both of us. We've been really looking forward to it, and it exceeded our expectations. We got to mess around with this bad boy, his bad boy, and then the green Lambo to top it all off. What was your favorite part about the day?
It's like a tie between driving this when I drop the clutch on this, and when that PSI just in the Lambo, like, but nah, just thank you, bro. You know what I mean? That was a great experience. It's like the universe put us all here.
For real. So you said we're gonna work on a little beat?
Yeah, we're gonna get him a theme song. Would you guys like that? Comment section. Theme song for JR Garage? That'd be fun.
And what kind of vibe do you guys want?
Yeah,
maybe give some ideas of what you want to see in JR Garage intro. We will see you guys maybe another day. We'll collab in the future for sure. Yes. Next time he comes to Arizona, we are taking the plane. We're gonna go flying. And hey, there's no speed limits in the sky, so we can really send it up there.
I look short compared to you. I'm like almost 6'1", and you.
I know, right? You walk up, you're like, shoot, you're a lot bigger in person.
I thought I was tall, man. If you guys don't know, he's literally like 6'5", 7 feet, 8 feet tall. It's crazy.
All right, come again soon. Thank you so much for an epic day.
Thank you, boss.
And we will see you guys in the next one. See you.
That it feels right.